Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background in Canva. To add a background in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application and log into your account. Now, start a new project or open up an existing design. I have opened up an existing design on the page. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Elements. In the search box at the top under Elements, type in Background. From the background options displayed on the screen, choose the one of your preference. Now the chosen background will be displayed on the screen. As you can see that the background has been layered in the outermost area of the design. If you want to get it onto your background, now you need to simply go ahead and select the background image that you've just added and then go to the bottom of the screen and click on Layers. Under Layers, simply drag the background and place it on the bottom of the screen. You will then be able to see that the background has now been positioned at the back. And that's how you can easily change your background on one of your project or design. And that is how you can add background on one of your design in Canva. You can now go ahead and reposition, drag the background and make sure that it covers the entire frame. Resize if necessary, and you can also adjust opacity or apply filters to the background for a unique look. That is how you can easily add a background on your design using Canva. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.